Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you how to fix Pubg black screen on PC. Um, what you have to do is first try a simple restart, close Pubg completely, then restart your PC and relaunch the game to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes permission issues can cause a black screen. Right click the Pubg shortcut, select run as an administrator and check if it works. Then outdated graphics driver can cause display issues. Update your NVIDIA GeForce and AMD Radeon drivers from their official software or website. Go to your pubg.exe file, right click it, select properties and then select compatibility, check disable full screen optimizations and click apply. Corrupted files can cause the black screen issue. Open Steam, go to library, select Pubg, right click and select properties, install files, then select verify integrity or game files. Try lowering your graphic settings. Open the game user settings.ini file in C drive, users, your name, then app data, select local, then TSL games, then saved, config, then Windows no editor, and set screen scale equal to 100 and resolution quality equal to 80. If nothing else works, then try uninstalling and reinstalling Pubg. This can fix corrupted files and restore normal game functionality. And that's how you can fix Pubg black screen problem on PC.